How to buy Stool Prisondente, yes. So this token came under the symbol of jailstool. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token created 30 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place to be able to buy this token. But before that, as you can see, this token is trending number 2 in the screener right now on Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, and remember this token address, it's under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that and click also up here. And make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here. And now click on swap here, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, as you know. And now you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a jailstool token, or jailstool, sorry guys, token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.